Hello, my name is Chris DeMartino, and I'm a technical marketing engineer at Mini Circuits. Today, we're going to talk about the Mini Circuits TSS-23ULN+, which is an ultra-low noise MMIC amplifier. The TSS-23ULN+ is specified for an operating frequency range of 10 MHz to 2 GHz. It operates from a single plus 5 volt supply with typical current consumption of 71 milliamps. It also is equipped with the voltage-controlled shutdown feature. That the TSS-23ULN+ comes in a very small 2x2mm QFN-style package that can be easily integrated into densely packed printed circuit board designs. At 1 GHz, the TSS-23ULN+ can achieve about 20 dB of gain, along with about 0.4 dB noise figure. Across the entire operating frequency range of 10 MHz to 2 GHz, the output power at 1 dB compression is nearly plus 20 dBm. And across most of this frequency range, the output IP3 is greater than plus 35 dBm. These performance characteristics make the TSS-23ULN+ ideal for sensitive receiver applications. These applications include cellular infrastructure, satellite communications, radar, electronic warfare, and others. Well, that concludes this video. Thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter and follow Mini Circuits on social media for the latest information.